Hello Gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video, I am working in my family binder. I have $60 in prop money. So let's get to the first challenge here. All right. And let's see. This is created by Budget with Carly, say $60. And I'm just gonna pick one and scratch one. Let's do one on this side. Let's do this one. $4. And this is for my daughter. And do we have $1? Yes. Let me put a 5 in. And these savings is just for our sinking funds to help build that up. Next is for my daughter. Son. And this is created by Lemon Ivy, say $60. Let's do this one. And that is a 3. And yeah, this is just for your savings, sinking funds for anything they may need or want. I will have the funds for it. This is for myself. And this is created by Budget with Tiffany 26. Say $70. Let's do this one. And that is a 4. So do I have $1? Yes. Put a 5. And let's take these 2 5s out and put a 10. So that's $12. Next is for my husband. Says $55. And this is created by Bookish Mama Budgets. And let's do this one. And that is a 3. Let's see. 1, 2, and a 3. Next is Home Sweet Home. Oh, we got a new challenge in here because we finished one last week. And this is created by Mystic Budgets. And see, we have some scratches here, which is amounts. Oh, there are 8s and 5s. Ooh, I didn't know that. And it's a 91 plus. And then we have some grocery bags here, which is a roll and save. So let's do 1 and 1. Does that sound good? So let's do this one. Ooh, we got an 8 right off hand. And let's roll a 4-sided die. So that's 8, and that is a 1. So $9. So let's put 1 here. So $9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is perfect. Perfect amount to start with for Home Sweet Home. And that's saving for anything for the house. And so the adventure begins. This is created by Bookish Mama Budget, says $40. So we got 3? We got a 2 here. I feel like I should finish this. Let's go ahead. 2. So 7. Oh lordy. Oh lordy. $14. $14. 14. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And let's make sure we have 40. All right. And we got 20, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. Yes, $40. All right. So $40 completed for our adventures. I love that. And put the money back in here. So I want to get it mixed up. So we are going to put plus 40. And where's my calculator? Oh dear. I'm just going to have to do some math here. So that is 0 to 320. Does that look right? I hope so. Yes. Yes, so 320. If that's wrong, I will correct it. So yay. We are building that up nicely. All right, so emergency. Okay, I feel good. We still got a couple dollars left. And this is The Life of a Duck Named What? And this book is created by Snow Garner 307 and 307 Design Studio. And we are on this page. Yeah, we finished this one. All right, so let's just scratch and see. All right, we're gonna scratch probably a couple. Let's see, $1, $2, that's $3. Let's do one more. All right. So is that $6? So $6. I like that. So 5 and 6 is going to emergency. And let me see, we have, see, that's our catch-all. So let's go back to the beginning. I want to see if I can finish. Can I finish hubby's? Because his birthday is coming up. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, $17. Let's see. Okay, we got 5. So let's take out the 5 before I forget. Ooh, we got 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh Lordy, it is. I'm scared. How you gonna be scared now? I don't know. Is this an 8? Here we go. Yes, it's a 7. Yes. All right, so this should be 55. So 5, 6, 7. Okay. Let's see. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What did I count that? I need to count all of it. So let's see. All right. See if we got 55 here. We got 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Yes, $55. So, plus 55. So this is $95. Perfect. All right. And that should be enough for a nice gift for his birthday. And let's go back to our catch-all. So we have $1 left. And this is also created by Snow Garner 307. So put that $1 in here. And this is just 100 envelopes. Going for a rainy day. 50, 60, 65, 66. Okay, $66. Not too bad. All right, that is it. We finished 2 challenges. We finished hubbies and adventures. So that is awesome. All right, gems, that is it. That is the family binder. Thank you everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.